Roll the clip.
Hey, Keefe, Metro Police. Come over here. Hey, Metro Police, come over here, all right? Thanks, buddy. Come on over here. Appreciate your cooperation, okay? I'll stand right here in front of the car. Yep. Yep, we're going to put it down. I know. Hang on. Put that down for a second, all right? You got nothing on you, right? Hooks. You have anything on you, sir? You thirsty? Okay, yeah. We'll get you a drink. Hang on, all right? Just want to make sure you got no weapons on you or anything, okay? Separate the two, sir. Thank you. Put your palms together like you're clapping. I just want to make sure these cuffs can be all right on you.
Yep. Do you mind? Yep. Yeah. I'm good. My friend's good. Am I good? Huh? Do you have anything on you, sir? Yeah, that was okay.
Phone and water.
Perfect. We're gonna put you in the car.
I need drinking water, man. I'm thirsty.
Yeah, we'll let you get a drink, my man. You just going for a walk or what?
Yeah.
Okay. You do like a morning walk every day or? Okay. We'll get you some water, my man.
Can you try to get it now?
Yeah, as soon as we get you in the car,
We'll get you in, we'll put in the car, all right? I appreciate it, sir. All right, let's walk over here, sir. Okay? Don't worry, your water's gonna come.
You double watching all that?
Yep.
Okay.
I think it's good.
You got lights?
I don't.
You have lights? Yeah, I got some. Yep. Hold on before you click them.
Yep.
We gotta put some leg shackles on you. It's just part of our policy.
Are you wearing double pants, sir? You wearing double pants or these are boxers? Right. All right, I'm gonna pull these all the way up. I'm gonna stop you down here real quick, my man. Oh. Alright, sir, go and have a seat right in here. I'm gonna help you out. Yep, just kinda put your butt up against there. Kick that foot up. You ready?
I'm a pro, dude.
Oh, you got it? Alright.
He's
I'm a pro. He's I'm a pro. Alright.
No, we're done.
So what they got you for, man?
Biggest case in Las Vegas history.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Like recent?
September the 7th, 1996.
Oh no shit. Wow. That's a long time. That's a long time away.
You know what I'm talking about,
Hmm?
man? You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Not a detective quite yet, but yeah. Shit, that's a long time away, man. What was that? Fucking 20-some years? No, more than that. Yeah, shit. Sure took him a while, huh?
I ain't worried about it. I ain't doing shit, so
Well, I mean, that's what court's for, right? Oh, so they raided your house and stuff, huh? That was like
2 months ago.
Yeah.
Then I'm walking around the corner this morning, walking through my walk.
Hmm.
Oh,
shit. Wow. They didn't make a scene like last time?
They made a big ass scene.
Oh, they did? Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah, they had 3 SWAT units. I'm in my back. There a bunch of walkie-talkies in the house behind me. So I peeped over the gate. Me and the SWAT dude peeped over the gate at the same time.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
I walk in the house. Shit, they had my whole house lit up. This is Las Vegas Metropolitan SWAT team.
Yo, what's going on, my good peoples? This is your host of Rollercoaster TV, Roberto. I'm still a little under the weather, you guys, but I wanted to get this clip out to you guys. TMZ just released the actual footage of Keefe D actually getting the stainless steel bracelets put on him. And as you guys can see, my man was just taking a walk. In his head, I believe he had no idea this was coming. I do believe he thought he was scot-free. Whatever they promised him in the deal, clearly it wasn't what he expected. They raided his house a couple of weeks ago. If you could hear him when he was in the back of the police car. So he thought this was no big deal. Maybe go downtown, answer some questions, but no, they was gonna lock him up on this one because it's politics. At the end of the day, this is politics, and the police officers who came to arrest him acting like they knew who he was. I don't believe that at all. I don't believe that at all. I don't care what their job was, what it was. You telling me they were sent to an address of one of the biggest unsolved mystery cases of all times, and they didn't know what was going on? I think that's some bull. Anyway, you guys, I want you guys to see this clip. TMZ just released it a couple of hours ago. So I hope all is well with my man's family. I don't know his lifestyle. He moved back to Vegas a couple of years ago. I do smell a rat. Of course, there's politics going on. There's something else shady going on that we probably will never, ever know. But they could have had this done a long time ago. And I see they're trying to get Biggie's murder case solved and drag Puffy into this. I don't know what the outcome is, people, but I am going to stay tuned to find out what's going on. So I just wanted you guys to see this actual footage that was just uploaded. I appreciate you guys for supporting. Do me a favor, share with somebody and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, guys.